Be ready. Start. In the meanwhile, as per the order passed by the Metropolitan Magistrate Chennai, the appellant wife went to her matrimonial house for staying with the respondent husband house along with protection officer stop. However, the respondent did not obey the order of the court and refused to allow the appellant wife to enter the house and locked the door from outside and went out. Stop. On 22nd December 2008, the appellant filed a complaint against the respondent for not obeying the order of the learned magistrate Chennai, and the same was registered in police station as FIR number 947 of 2008 under section 31, 32 and 74 of the PWD Act 2005. Stop. The case was committed to the learned Metropolitan Magistrate Chennai and registered as criminal miscellaneous petition number 636 of 2011. Stop. In the meanwhile, the criminal appeal number 339 of 2008 filed by the respondent husband was partly allowed by the Sessions Court at Chennai on 21st October 2010. Stop. Sessions Court by the said order set aside the order prohibiting the respondent husband from committing acts of domestic violence as against the appellant wife by not allowing her to live in the shared household, and the order directing the respondent to reside in the house owned by respondent's mother, and upheld the order granting maintenance of rupees 2000 per month in favor of the appellant wife by the respondent husband. Stop. Stanza. Aggrieved by the aforesaid order, the appellant wife filed criminal RC number 1321 of 2010 before the High Court. Stop. A criminal miscellaneous petition number 1 of 2010 was also filed in the said revision application. Stop. On 23rd December 2010, the High Court granted an interim stay to the above order passed by the learned Sessions Court at Chennai. Stop. In the meantime, while the matter was pending before the High Court, the learned Metropolitan Magistrate Chennai passed an order on 24th February 2011 in criminal miscellaneous petition number 636 of 2011 and directed the SHO police station to break the door of the respondent's house in the presence of the revenue inspector and make accommodation for the appellant, with further direction to the SHO to inquire about the belongings in the respondent's house in presence of the family members of the respondent, with further direction to submit the report to the respondent as well as the protection officer. Stop. The respondent husband thereafter filed a petition. Stop. Over.